friends, today we are going to do 6 marker challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 markers. I'm going to color the house. I'm going to draw the door with black color. Now I am going to color the over here with purple color. Now I am going to color the tin with blue color. Now I am going to color the windows with orange color. Now I am going to color over here with green color. I am also going to color the tin with green color. Now I am going to color over here with red color. Now our coloring is finished. Bye friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button.